everyone, I'm Khushi Pandey. Today we'll discuss about the benefits of using Jobspri app. So let's begin. We provide guaranteed job to selected candidates who excel amazingly during our training, assessment and mock interviews. We provide training and assessment through Jobspri. The candidate can get trained and improve their skills. We provide sector-wise, industry-wise and company-wise job-oriented training and assessment to the aspiring candidates. We provide a personal mentor for each candidate once they complete their training and assessments. The personal mentor assigned to each candidate helps them by guiding them about the company and interview process. Also, mock interviews of the candidates are conducted to stimulate actual interviews. We train and get you placed in your dream company. We provide guaranteed job to selected candidates who excel amazingly during our training and mock interview process. Get trained, get hired and get your dream job.